approach, you're number 1.
Continue approach.
Alpha 7 Hotel Bravo Juliet, the wind 050 degrees, 6 knots, runway 22, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 22, Alpha 7 Hotel Bravo Juliet. Very short final, Alpha 7 Hotel Bravo Juliet.
Okay, confirm, clear to land.
Clear to land.
Alpha Bravo Juliet, contact apron 121, decimal 855, goodbye.
121-855, goodbye. Good afternoon, Alpha 7 Hotel Bravo Juliet, ready for departure.
Alpha 7 Hotel Bravo Juliet, bonjour, number 1 for departure.
Copy that.
Alpha Bravo Juliet, behind the B320 on very short final, and at runway 04, wait behind.
Behind the B320 on short final, up and wait runway 04 behind Alpha 7 Hotel Bravo Juliet.
Alpha Bravo Juliet, wind 04 6 knots, runway 04, clear to take off.
Please take off runway 04 Alpha 7 Hotel Bravo Juliet.
Juliet, contact departure, bye.
Departures, have a good day, Alpha Delta, Bravo Juliet.